Alright, so what we got here is a Camo Rechargeable tactical flashlight. And just by looking at all this, the way this box is and looks, you almost instantly know this is a piece of shit. This is at Walmart for $19.88, $20. Of course, nobody's buying them because it's obviously a piece of shit. Yeah, that's what you're getting. Alright, it calls itself, built-in power supply. Okay, bro. These are on clearance for $1. They were on clearance for $5 and nobody was buying them. But I grabbed them, and the reason why I grabbed a bunch of them is right about there, bro. $18,650 for $1. But of course, absolutely nowhere does it tell you what the current is on that battery. And I can tell you, the light is most likely a piece of crap. Mimi Chris blind spot, whatever the hell that means. Alright, so anyway, let's check out this light. And the best part about this is that barcode does not scan at the register. You can't scan it with your phone, but you can scan it on the wall things. Not seeing is believing. Well, this is a piece of crap. Anyway, so let's open this up. Let's see what we got. Is it worth $1? Sure, I guess. Come on, bro. Easy, man. Alright. So you get, a cable, micro SD. Some people pay like $5 for this stupid cable. So there's your $1 right there. First things thought is this flashlight is way too big. An 18-650 is that big. The light should only be about this big. They put a big opening on this thing, acting like it's something great, when this thing clearly states it's only 1 watt. So why do you got such a huge reflector? You're reflecting absolutely no light. We can hook this thing up. So of course there's no directions, because what do you need directions for? Big reflector. Alright, inside here is your charging crap. And then supposedly you can plug a phone into that USB port and charge your phone. But it's all based on what do you think the current is of that 18-650 in there. You got your stupid modes. That's on. Yeah, that's not bright. Break, dude. Ooh, look at that. OMG. Can you focus it? No. And it's got this stupid crap. Dimmed. And look at that. Oh, flashing. Here we go. No, you're going to make me pass out, man. We're going to make me pass out. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Let's keep going another couple seconds. All right. So, anybody that just came into the room because they heard a loud noise, sorry. Your friend just, passed out from the flashing light. So anyway, that's the button there. Whoop-de-doodle-do. And, in the store, I was like, all right, well, I'm going to go see what that 18-650 is. And, this is phony. This thing is all plastic. Plastic garbage. Couldn't open this up to look at the 18-650. So, I was like, all right, let me take this off. This actually feels like a piece of glass. That's worth $1 right there. Yeah, that's a piece of glass. Yeah, that's glass. That's crazy that they spent. If they actually put a piece of glass into something that's such a piece of shit, they're trying to tell you that this light might be cool. All right, so obviously you can't see the 18-650. So that's why I got suckered into buying some more. And check this out. No silver down the hole. No silver down the hole. Yeah, because I've already took the screws out. Okay, so here we go. Here is our... Normally, when I see a blue battery, I'm thinking, oh, yeah, that's a 3 ampere. Or a 2 ampere, sorry. But what are we going to have? What do we got? Yep, there you go. It's only 1200. So, good luck charging an iPhone with 1200. 1.2 amps. Good luck with that. This battery's going to be... I mean, you can charge it, but you ain't going to get to no 100%. So that kind of sucks. But, you know, $1, sure. Alright, so, whoop a doodle doo. Oops. Yeah, buddy. Let's gonna look at this circuit. This is like a chicken eating its own, a chicken eating chicken. I'm gonna use this flashlight own light to look in. Oh, Jesus Christ! I'm gonna use the flashlight's own light to look at itself. It's like a chicken eating its own eggs, or a pig eating its fellow dead friends. Yeah, I don't know why I'm looking in here. Oh, there we go. Oh, damn it, my finger's in the way. I mean, you know what this could be good for? I wonder if you could put a higher amperage battery in there and it'll charge it all the way up. I mean, you could just take this whole circuit out and screw this flashlight. Who needs a flashlight? I guess it's good projects. So, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is for the people that don't understand electricity. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna shock myself. Oh my god. Yeah, you know, 3.7 volts is really gonna hurt me. It's not even enough voltage to jump your finger from here to here. The resistance in your finger is too high for it to do anything. You know, some people can't help themselves. How about learning about electricity? Learning about what scares you, so you don't have to be scared. That's just beyond some people's abilities. All right, so that's this piece of crap. Rechargeable tactical flashlight. Is it worth 20? No. Is it worth 5? No. Is it worth $1? Barely, because this is only a 1200. But maybe you can take that battery out. I mean, this would probably be good for making projects. A good project thing. A good project thing. So, man, that piece of glass. I mean, you can use that piece of glass in here. You can use that as a weapon, because that thing is pretty sharp on the edge there. You can use that like a weapon. Otherwise, this thing is all, you know, garbage plastic. This is really just garbage plastic. Peekaboo, buddy. Peekaboo. All right. Well, there you go. And you got a cable on it. So this is a no buy unless it's $1. And even if it was $5 or something, when you go up to ring it, it's not going to ring up. So you just tell the people it's $1. And they'll ring it up for $1 for you. Not me, not me, not me, not me. Just saying, because that's all it's worth. All right.
Hey, where's the leaf?
Yeah.
Yes, it did. Dad, hey, I'm going to use this one. And I can do it on this one. Thank you. No, yes, it did this. Yes, it did this. You're done.
Leaf gas?
You're done.